What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss back here, bringing you guys an extra special video today. As you can see, I have someone in my passenger seat. We will not show his face yet, but soon. It is my younger brother, not little anymore, but he'll always be my little brother. But he is basically upcoming. He's basically Tom Brady in the game called Valorant. If you're familiar with that, he's insane. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel down below, and you can just see for yourself. We're gonna go to Micro Center right now. We're gonna go pick up the right parts. He's basically doing a full upgrade on his computer. You want to go over what you got?
Got a 3070 Ti, Intel 1270K, other little stuff, 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's what you want.
Yeah, so just to go over what he got a 370 Ti, Founders Edition. Not gonna say how he got it, but somehow he got it. And we got 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. And a 12700K Intel.
Yep.
Is that i9?
Yep.
i9 processor. Guys, watch out. Hide your gamer friends. My younger brother will come and make you uninstall, basically. But right now, yeah, as we're going on a cruise, it's raining out, and I'm just gonna interview him a little bit, just switch it up the content just a little bit, get a wider range of content. But I'm just gonna interview him. Sean, I'm gonna need you to speak up on this so they can hear it on the GoPro.
Yeah,
but
no. I might as well introduce who I am and a bit of what I do.
Yeah.
I am a professional, or semi-professional.
He's professional. We're going professional. I mean, the level he's at right now, guys, is insane. What are you ranked right now? At the time,
500.
He is top 500 in global.
North America.
North America. I don't care what you say. That's insane. I mean, that's absolutely nuts. This is a free-to-play game, right?
Yep.
So that means there's a lot of people playing. If it's free to play, there's a lot of players. And he's top 500 in North America, so that's an achievement in its own right. And we're probably gonna get higher, because I mean, what was your setup prior to this build?
6-year-old processor, just stuff that's out of date from 5 years ago. But you know, I'm still doing well.
Yeah. Guys, I'm so excited for my younger brother. He's been playing on probably the worst equipment, and he's still kicking butt. Literally, he's still kicking butt. Go! Like I said, go watch his channel after this video. I'm gonna link his channel. It's PowerPixel. PowerPix.
Yeah.
PowerPix. PowerPixel is our competitor. We're coming for you, bro. We're going for the neck, bro. We're going all the way. We're taking the PowerPix throne. Just watch out. Watch out. And so yeah, back to what we were saying. 6-year-old equipment, top 500. We still haven't even gotten the new build yet. I mean, I'm excited to see where this goes. And let's give some more background information. What got you into Valorant?
Found myself playing it after school for a while. After a while, I ended up on a high school team that is based over in California. It was an organization by the name of Game Night Esports, and I played under them for a couple of months when I was Immortal, which was top 1% back at the time. Not quite top 500, but I was still thriving.
Yeah, guys, top 1%. Come on now. I mean, we're coming out here, guys. I'm telling you, this is a Tom Brady. This is the 6th round pick going into like the GOAT. You know what I'm saying?
I I might as well talk a little bit about, well, why I even decided to pursue it or anything like that. But what ended up happening when I was on Game Night Esports was that I played in a high school event that had a prize pool of about $1,000 USD. And what ended up happening is that me and 4 other dudes, that's how many it takes to play the game, 5 people.
5 people total, yep.
It's a team game. 5 of us ended up winning that event. We all got $200 in our pockets, got some eyes on us, and felt pretty good about ourselves.
Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. First tournament, won $200, split between 5 people, or $1,000 split between 5 people. My younger brother pocketed 200. That's insane. Just doing what he loves, you know, or enjoys.
The really funny thing about it though is that a lot of people don't know about this playing games / esports. The fact that if you're playing at a high school level, if you're that age, there's a lot of colleges that want to look for you.
Yeah.
Lots of people are interested in you. No matter where you are in life or something like that, people are interested in you. Markets.
Oh yeah.
And market myself and my organization did. they hooked me up with some people, and
rest is history.
what ended up happening was that a collegiate scout from West Virginia University, pretty big school, pretty big public school, lots of people that attended. The esports director was scouting the event I was playing in, and after we won it, he walks up to me and my team and he says, "Hey guys, would you like to play for West Virginia University?"
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I'll be attending there in the fall and playing for them.
Guys, that's an incredible story. I mean, that's so hype. Honestly, I cannot tell you in words how I feel about my younger brother. That's absolutely awesome. And you know, this setup we're getting right now, we're going to Micro Center in the worst weather conditions. I mean, look at this.
It's getting cold in Maryland.
Yeah, it's getting cold in Maryland. It's 39, raining. Whipping the, you know, Gen 2 Prius, baby. This thing's a tank. Absolute tank.
They can deal with anything.
Yeah. And get good gas mileage.
That does help.
But absolutely incredible story. Brother, how long have you been playing games, would you say?
I'd say I played it when I was pretty young. I think you introduced me to it, I'll be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, I got my brother hooked on the grind.
Played the PS3, playing the MW2.
Yeah, MW2 PS3. Me and my younger brother, we would run it up. I mean that Rust, quick scopes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But
Back to nostalgia.
yeah, of course. Of course. MW2 was insane, much simpler times. But, you know, we're back on the grind, getting where we need to be. And, you know, I'm super excited. I'm super excited to see what happens. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. And while you're doing that, go check out my brother's channel. I'll link it down below. Once again, he's absolutely cracked. He's on some Tom Brady shit. And yeah, see you guys soon. Peace.